Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keyboard on the application of Microsoft Teams. You will go here to settings as you see and you will click. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Microsoft Teams and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage. After that, in this page you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.